Looks like a ring, acts like a backup plan. This stainless steel design hides a sharp blade inside, discreet, compact, and always ready to step in. It stays out of sight, feels light on your hand, and gives you peace of mind without adding bulk. Turn the rollers, roll out a new challenge. This little gadget makes math fun, fast, and hands-on. No screens, no stress, just spin to create endless combinations of addition, subtraction, and more. Each twist brings a new problem, keeping minds active and engaged without ever feeling like homework. Perfect for kids who are learning, parents looking for interactive tools, or adults who want to stay sharp. Whether you're in a classroom, at home, or on the go, it's compact, playful, and way more satisfying than a worksheet. Math practice made simple and honestly, a little addictive. When versatility meets durability, you get a tool that's ready for anything. This folding survival multi-tool is built to handle whatever the day throws at you. Whether you're out in the wild, fixing something on the go, or just like being prepared, its compact design hides serious strength, combining smart function with a rugged, matte black frame that feels solid in your hand. It opens and folds smoothly, locking into place with ease, so every task feels controlled and efficient. Whether you're slicing, tightening, or making quick adjustments, this tool keeps up without hesitation. It's light enough to carry in a pocket or pack, yet tough enough to feel like more than just a backup. It's the kind of gear you bring just in case, but find yourself using far more than you expected. From daily fixes to outdoor situations, it's ready to go when you are, and built to earn its spot in your everyday carry. Your cozy space deserves to feel fresh, clean, and truly dust-free. This compact yet powerful device goes beyond surface cleaning by targeting what your eyes can't see: microscopic mites, dust, and allergens hiding deep in your fabrics. With its UV sterilization and strong suction, it doesn't just clean, it purifies. Whether you're working on your mattress, sofa, or carpet, it glides smoothly and quietly, delivering thorough cleaning without the bulky hassle of traditional vacuums. The ergonomic handle and cordless design make it incredibly easy to maneuver, while the transparent dust container gives instant feedback on just how much it's capturing. It's the kind of tool you didn't know you needed until you experience how fresh your home feels afterward. You know that stiff neck you get after a long day at your desk? This little device takes care of it in minutes. The electric U-shaped massager fits snugly around your neck and quietly gets to work, kneading, warming, and loosening up those tight spots. And it's not just for your neck. You can move it to your shoulders, waist, or even under your legs after a long walk. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and makes it feel like you've had a full massage session, right on your couch whenever you need it. Compact and powerful. This 7-in-1 pocket lamp belongs on your keychain, in your glove box, or clipped to your bag. It's a bright LED flashlight, rechargeable work light, and emergency tool in one. With a window breaker, magnetic base, bolt driver, and red light mode for signaling. It adapts to whatever the moment needs. Rugged yet lightweight, it's perfect for camping, hiking, night drives, or unexpected situations. Confidence, light, and function, all in your pocket. For those who take their tech seriously, this all-in-one cleaning system is a game changer. From dust hiding beneath your keys to grime in your charging port or smudges on your camera lens, it's designed to handle the delicate details that most tools miss, thoroughly, safely, and with precision. Tucked neatly into a compact, travel-ready case, it includes everything from soft and firm brushes to air blowers, precision tips, a microfiber cloth, a refillable spray bottle, and even tiny tools crafted just for earbuds, SIM trays, and headphone slots. Each item fits perfectly in its own compartment, keeping the whole kit organized, protected, and always ready to go. No more improvising with cotton swabs or paper clips. Whether you're a student, gamer, content creator, or someone who simply values spotless gear, this toolkit helps restore your devices to their best condition, without hassle or risk. Take care of your tech the smart way, wherever you are. A clean, modern lamp that adapts to your space. Touch to switch, fold to adjust, and use it however you like, standing, hanging, or flat. Soft light when you want to relax, bright focus when you need to work. Simple, warm, and always useful.